Typical spring weather we're having here at the Vineyard Farmhouse. Yesterday it was 70 degrees and today it's going to top out at 38. But that's okay. I'm looking forward to working on the bathroom today, and that's where I'm headed right now. It might actually work out that I release this video on Easter Sunday. So if so, have a great Easter, and I'll see you at the farmhouse. Alrighty then, the first thing we have at hand today is to tie these studs up into the rafters, frame in for the ceiling exhaust fan, and then have that installed as well. So let's get going on that.
I don't know why, but for some reason I enjoy drilling stuff like this.
Yes, it's 38 degrees outside and the saw's outside. So I'm not going to change my clothes every time I go in and out the door. But boy, is it cold in a t-shirt and shorts. I cut 10 of these boards so I can tie the 2x4 studding up into the rafters. That should make it solid for the drywall. Right here for the ceiling fan at 28.5 inches. Double check that. Put it on this one too, because I don't remember which side I put it on. Alright, then I'm going to take hopefully these screws line up the way they're supposed to. And there we go. I guess I could do the wiring right there. I was going to take it down and put it in, but I don't think that's necessary. Let me tighten this up. Alright, now that I have the ceiling fan installed, I can do my wiring. Shove that up through there. I will by no means ever do a tutorial for wiring. I'm just showing you that I'm doing wiring. This isn't exactly a big wiring job anyway. To strip back the negative, positive, and the ground and plug it into the little snaps that they have. So, not exactly a hard thing to do. Hard thing to do is see close up. I know I should get myself some prescription bifocals, but it always seems like the stuff I need to see close up is above my head. It's the last time I try to use these plastic clips. They're always a pain in the ass. These are the only type to use. I won't make that mistake again. Well, success. The machine is not a lemon. It seems to be working beautifully, and it's very quiet. Now I can close that box up. Tuck them wires up there real nice and pretty. Alrighty, and there you go. Oh, well, I need to travel my wire over here.
Because the light switch is going to be next to the toilet. So that you can get it when you forgot to turn it on.
Okay, so now that the ceiling fan's all taken care of, I want to establish where I'm going to be putting this wall that's going to support the staircase. See this stud going up? There will be a wall coming across here. I know it's kind of hard to see what I'm trying to show you, but it'll support it. And the toilet is being represented by that stool. And this wall is going to have a post here, post right along here, and it'll be a half wall. So when you come into the bathroom, there's a half wall there. You don't see the toilet immediately, which is a good thing. Most anybody will tell you the last thing you want to see when you walk into the bathroom is the toilet. So that solves that problem. I kind of had to figure out how that wall was going to come out. So now I can decide where my post is going to come down and support that staircase. Because these studs obviously are leaving. It's always a challenge working in an old house. It's not like you can just build a wall and lift it up and put it in place. You have to sandwich lumber in between walls that already exist. But it's not like it's not doable. You just have to finagle it more. Studs go. That goes nicely right along the joist in the cellar, which, as anybody knows, the joists in the cellar of an old house like this are like 3 inches thick and 12 inches wide. I don't know if anybody else does it this way, but I like to tap my stuff together with a brad nailer. Just a little thing that I do to help things go a little smoother. Got to cut that a little bit. Had to cut that a little bit. I had originally planned it to be a new construction stud, but I decided to use this older stuff. It's free because it was here already, and if it could last 100 years, it can last 100 more. This house is at least 140 years old. I believe it was built in the 1870s. That makes it a little clearer to people what I'm doing. I need to cut one more stud there. Alright, now that that's taken care of, we can trust getting rid of this last stud that's in our way. another free stud for something else. Put my toilet back, or at least what represents my toilet. And there we go. We have the toilet area all planned out. So you'll just enter in from here. These studs still have to go, but I'm not ready to take them out yet. That's where the toilet's going to be. I don't know if I want to leave this open under the staircase completely, or if I want to build a closet. Some of you can leave a comment and if you have any ideas for it. That floor register is going to have to be changed somewhere else. It's right in the way of any ideas I might have. Well, people, I think that's going to be good for this video. We got that exhaust fan installed and wired, although it's not attached to any switches or anything, but I did test it and it's good. We got the studs in the ceiling done, and we got this half wall organized. The next time we'll be working on this staircase, because I know I'm going to want to put some support in there that won't be there when I take those studs out. But for now, I'm going to clean up around here a little bit, and then I'm going to go over to my house and edit this video. And as always, if you like, share, and subscribe, it'll really help out the channel, and I appreciate it very much.
Oh, and don't forget to smash that little bell button.